What really matters in your 20s? One, self-trust over self-esteem. Everyone out here is trying to feel good about themselves. They want compliments, likes, and approval. But in your 20s, you need something more powerful than that. You need to trust yourself. That only comes from doing hard things consistently. Self-esteem is a mood. Self-trust is a weapon. You earn self-trust by keeping your word to yourself, doing what you said you'd do when no one's watching, being dependable when everything's falling apart. The people who win in life are the ones who don't lie to themselves. That starts now. Second, discipline will save you from regret. Forget motivation. It's a lie. Your brain will not wake you up every morning with enthusiasm. Some days you'll feel like garbage, but discipline gets you out of bed anyway. In your 20s, discipline is your cheat code. Most people waste these years on freedom, parties, distractions, no structure. But structure creates freedom in the long run. The ones who win are the ones who trained when they didn't feel like it. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Build it every day, through your schedule, your habits, your standards. Then double it. 3. Your health is your operating system. Your body is your base. If your body is weak, tired, sick, or sluggish, it's like trying to run a billion-dollar company on a broken laptop. Won't work. In your 20s, you have a unique advantage. Your body bounces back fast. Use that. Get strong, lift heavy, get lean, eat clean, sleep right. Not because someone told you to, because if you don't, you'll pay for it later with interest. When you look in the mirror and see a strong body, that's your armor. That's self-respect. Mental health improves when physical health improves. Energy increases. You perform better in business, relationships, everything. Take care of your machine. 4. Learn how money works. Money isn't the goal, freedom is. But in the real world, money is the tool that buys you freedom. If you don't understand how money works, someone who does will always control you. You don't need a finance degree. You need basic money rules. Avoid debt unless it's an investment. Learn how to sell because everything in life is sales. In your 20s, don't just chase paychecks, chase leverage. Build high-income skills. Start something. Even if it fails, the lessons you learn are worth more than you can imagine. 5. Your environment is everything your 20s are when you either get pulled up or dragged down. And it depends who's around you. If you're hanging out with complainers, addicts, or people with no goals, their habits will infect you. It's not a maybe, it's guaranteed. Cut ruthlessly. Upgrade constantly. Surround yourself with people who push you. People who are better than you in key areas. People who are doing, not just talking. If your environment doesn't support your growth, change it. Move cities if you have to. Be alone for a while. Better to be a lone wolf than a domesticated sheep. You become who you spend time with. Choose wisely. 6. Build skills, not just careers. Forget job titles. Forget resumes. In your 20s, you should be obsessed with becoming dangerous. That means building skills that pay in the real world. Here's what actually matters. Sales. Learn how to persuade, pitch, negotiate. Speaking. Your ability to communicate, chart your income. Business. Understanding how value is created and scaled. Leadership. Not being a follower. Self-management. Being your own boss before anyone hires you. These are the skills that make people need you. Build them, not by reading, but by doing. Learn on the battlefield, not in theory. You're not too young, you're too soft. Change that. 7. Become physically and emotionally unbreakable. Life's going to hit you. Hard. You can either shatter like glass or bounce back like a warrior. That's a choice. Your 20s should be about building resilience. Train your body until it's strong, but also train your mind. Learn how to stay calm under pressure. Learn how to deal with heartbreak, failure, betrayal, without losing your drive. Resilience is the difference between the guy who quits and the one who becomes unstoppable. Stop expecting things to be easy. You don't grow in comfort, you grow in chaos. 8. Don't waste time dating the wrong people. Your 20s are prime years. You've got energy, ambition, and the chance to build the life you want. Don't throw that away chasing relationships that go nowhere. Look, love is real, but your mission has to come first. Date people who add to your momentum, not kill it. If they're making you doubt your path, drain your energy, or distract you from your goals, walk away. You have time to build an empire. You don't have time to babysit someone who's still figuring out who they are. Relationships should multiply your life, not subtract from it. 9. Take risks now, not later. This is the one thing older people regret the most. They didn't take enough risks when they were young. In your 20s, the consequences are low. You can move, start something, fail, and bounce back. You can pivot. You can try 10 things until one explodes. So do it. Start that business. Move to that city. Launch that project. DM that mentor. Stop overthinking. Perfectionism is just fear wearing a nice suit. Fail fast. Learn faster. 10. Don't just chase success. Define it. You don't want what everyone else wants. You think you do because you've been programmed. Money, cars, watches, they're great, but they're not the whole game. In your 20s, define your version of success. Is it freedom, adventure, influence, a family, mastery? Write it down. Burn it into your mind, and then build a life that aligns with that, not what your friends are doing or what Instagram shows you. Success with someone else's goals is failure. 11th, control your time or be owned by it. Most people in their 20s are time poor because they waste hours on autopilot. Netflix, TikTok, random scrolling, meaningless hangouts. Stop. Time is your most valuable asset. Start treating it like it. Use your calendar, create structure. Audit your time weekly. Ask, did this move me forward or waste my energy? Freedom isn't doing nothing, it's owning every hour and choosing with intention. 12. Silence the noise, trust your intuition. Everyone has an opinion on what you should do with your life. Parents, friends, society, even strangers online. Block the noise. Nobody knows your potential better than you. The only voice that matters is the one inside you. The one that gets louder when you're silent, focused, and honest. You feel it when you're on the right path. You know it when something is wrong. In your 20s, learn to listen to that voice. Strengthen it. Follow it. 13. Delay pleasure. Chase power. Your 20s shouldn't be about chasing highs, parties, dopamine, fake success. They fade. What doesn't fade? Power. Power to control your schedule. Power to choose your life. Power to walk away. Power comes from sacrifice, from doing the hard things, from building a foundation no one can take from you. Don't trade power for pleasure. Invest now, harvest forever. 14. Protect your focus at all costs. Distraction is the enemy, and in your 20s, the world is full of it. The people who rise are the ones who guard their attention like gold. One good year of focus can change your life. 1 year of distractions can destroy it. Cut off notifications, pointless social media, time-wasting people, activities that drain but don't build. You'll be shocked at how much you can do when your brain isn't split in 100 directions. 15. Stack wins and build momentum. Success loves momentum. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to be ready. Just move. Take one step, then another, then another. Wake up early. Hit the gym. Make that call. Build that business. Send that pitch. Each win builds the next. The more momentum you build, the more unstoppable you become. Final words, your 20s are not a time to coast. They're the training ground, the forge, the decade where legends are born or forgotten. You're not here to survive. You're here to build. Build a body you respect, a mind that can't be broken, a network that lifts you, a skill set that pays for life, a reputation that opens doors. Forget the noise, forget the distractions, forget what you're supposed to do. Instead, become the kind of person who walks into any room and doesn't need to say a word, because his life speaks for him. That's what really matters in your 20s.